Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make your header transparent on Wix. This is a fantastic way to create a sleek, modern look for your website, allowing your background image or design to shine through while maintaining easy navigation for your visitors. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll want to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look over to the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear, and from here, click on Website. This takes you to the management area where you can control all aspects of your site. From here, you can see the website settings. Make sure that this is the correct website you wish to work on and where you want to create a transparent header. It's always good to double check you're editing the right site, especially if you manage multiple projects. On this page, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically located beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to the visual editor, where you can make design changes in real time. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. The first thing we need to do is access the header customization, which is always located at the top of your page. Click on the header section and you'll see a Change Header Design button appear. Click on it to open up all the customization options available for your header. This is where the magic happens and where you can truly personalize the look and feel of your site's navigation area. To make your header transparent, select the Fill Color and Opacity settings. This is the key setting that controls how see-through your header background will be. From here, simply drag the background opacity slider all the way down to 0%. You'll notice the header background disappears, allowing whatever is behind it to show through beautifully. Now, here's an important step many people overlook. To retain the transparent header while scrolling, click on the Scroll tab within the same settings panel. You'll want to do the same thing here by dragging the background opacity to 0%. This ensures that your header remains transparent even as visitors scroll down your page, maintaining that clean, professional look throughout their browsing experience. And there you have it. You've successfully created a transparent header on your Wix website that stays transparent even while scrolling. This simple design tweak can dramatically improve the visual appeal of your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.